Good morning on this 7th day of our project. This is the banana flower on this 7th day, and this is the view today. You can see that bananas are already starting to show from under the belly of the flower. You can see there. This is the banana there. You can see it. And this is the leaf that is opening up. You can see this one. It's opening up. And we have this others here. It's also lifting up, and the tip is there facing to the ground completely. So today is the 7th day, and that is our view, beautiful view. And we are glad we are seeing this today. It's so beautiful and wonderful. You can see, have a look at that. The most beautiful view that we can see on this day. Thanks. I'll see you tomorrow on the 8th day, and we're going to see more progress.